Nitrous Express is known for nitrous applications. It is PRI. Mike, thank you for joining me. There are a few new applications that you guys have here. And first, we're going to start out with something totally new for you that isn't really nitrous related, and that's that LT4 Supercharger Lid that you have. What is the use for this?
Well, there's actually a few benefits from it. Number one, we raise the lid up so the air doesn't have to turn as sharp when it comes out of the supercharger, and that actually improves power. We put a radius inside of it to improve the airflow as well, so it improves power. One of the cool things about the LT4 is that they put a supercharger dampener inside there. There's a rubber piece and a metal piece clamped on that, and it really quietens it down. And that's great for a lot of Corvette guys that don't like to have the supercharger noise, but us performance people, we want to hear that. So we actually deleted that dampener out of there. So with our lid, now you hear the supercharger whine again, which is really makes it a pleasure to drive. The really cool thing about this plate is we put bungs in the side of it to where we can add a direct port water methanol system. That lets us put methanol directly above each runner, so we can really stretch the factory fuel system out and get a lot of horsepower gains by running this plate.
So besides the supercharger lid that's here on display, you have two other products, and one of these is a maximizer controller. What is it for?
This is the Maximizer 5 that we're debuting here at the PRI show. We've had previous versions of the Maximizer. The new Maximizer 5 does everything that the old versions did, plus a lot more. The new version has a screen that you can add to it, and you can control all of the functions of the progressive. It also has built-in data logging. So you have programmable inputs and outputs to where you can kind of monitor all your nitrous stuff as well as some other things in the car. This controller has the ability to look at a pressure sensor, and if you do start to lose pan vacuum, it can pull the nitrous back automatically to save your engine. Not only that, but it's got 100 other features that make this really easy to use nitrous controller.
So you said it's really easy to use. How easy are we talking?
Super easy. You basically flip through this little screen. You do have the ability to load different tunes into it. Maybe a milder tune and a more aggressive tune. So if you roll up to the line and the guy in front of you spins and you think, hey, I need to pull some power out of this, you can just quickly push the tune number 1 button and it'll go back and pull it to a completely separate tune.
And finally, the third thing that we're going to talk about is the Holley High Ram Nitrous Plate. What is this for?
Well, Holley High Rams are really popular. We do a lot of plumbing, direct port nitrous and stuff on them, but we wanted to make a plate that would bolt between the upper and the lower of the Holley High Ram. So we now have a plate that'll add up to 500 horsepower worth of nitrous. Super easy to put it in. You just take the top loose and put our plate down and bolt the top back on, and it sprays the nitrous directly above each port, so you get really good distribution. Any high ram out there, this will fit into.
So if I'm looking for this product or any of these products, where do I go?
Just check us out at nitrousexpress.com.
All right, if you guys are looking for nitrous products, be sure to check them out.